Welcome back. Family members of deceased Ronnie Xavier are demanding to arrest his girlfriend who was allegedly present when he committed suicide. Family members on Thursday met DIG V. Ranganathan alleging that Ronnie's girlfriend is behind his death. Family members allege that either his girlfriend killed him or abetted to suicide. Ronnie Xavier had committed suicide in Kalangut on 16th February.
मर्डर झालं सुसाइड झालं ना रुमान ते चोरून ती बोललेले आणले हाटी हाटीर बोललेले आणले तुमचे कांयच दाखयना ते तितून कित्यानूच ना के हें तेणें तो सुसाइड केलेले जाल्यार ते लोकांक आपोवपाचे बोबो मारून कोणाकूच आपोवना ते सुशेगाद बसले तो नेबर ओनर येयलो रेजिडेंट ते घराचो कोण आहा तो डॅरर तो येयलो आनी तो म्हणूंक लागलो दार पेकून ना फुडें पयले फोनार उलयता आनी तेजी बॉडी लांबता हँग जाता तेणे येवन बोबो मारल्यो आनी नेबर सगळे धांवन येयले आनी पयले वतो तो ते कोण आहलो हो जमनी दिमी घालून पांय सामके जमनीर आहले आनी फाशीर आहलो वयर.
Not SP and the DIG, they both have assured us that they will personally look into it, and PI Rajesh Kumar was also present. We have also instructed him to do the necessary needful to hand over the postmortem to us. And
residents of Kamrabat and Peterbat have demanded immediate rehabilitation of around 250 families. They said the then CM Manohar Parrikar had assured to rehabilitate the families affected during the heavy floods in August. BJP Mandal gave a representation to the chairman of Rehabilitation Board on Thursday. Chairman Keshav Prabhu has assured to start rehabilitation process by end of February.
मनोहर भाईन उतर दिल्लें आसा तांकां की डिसेंबरान काम चालू जातलें म्हणून भाईचे एलिवेशन जाल्ल्या कारणान एज डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ आवर कंट्री हो प्रोसेस म्हाका दिसता मातसो 1-2 म्हयने फुडें गेलो बट आतां बाय एंड ऑफ फेब्रुवारी केशव बाबान सांगलां तशें दीस प्रोसेस इज स्टार्टिंग.
ताजे प्रपोजल आमी मानून घेतला आनी येता त्या फुडल्या विकाक आमी एक इन्स्पेक्शन करतले सायड इन्स्पेक्शन तुमकां आमी कळयतले केन्ना आमी सायड इन्स्पेक्शन वतले ते म्हजे इंजिनियरूय बरोबर वतले आनी एक प्रोसेस सुरू जातलो रिहॅबिलिट करपाचो आनी थोड्याच दिसांनी
Around 250 families were affected by severe floods in Kamrabat and Peterbat this monsoon. Government had assured immediate relief to the families but are still awaiting rehabilitation. Keshav Prabhu has assured inspection to the site in the next week. Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. Top-level tournaments are nothing short of warfare and teams wanting to win the title need to battle like warriors. In Goa Cricket Association's GPL 2020 Championship, this year there will be an interesting mix of Goa and Delhi players representing Sun Estate Warriors. Promoted by Sun Estate's group of Suraj Morajkar, the Warriors will be captained by Goa's Ranji Trophy star Shadab Jakati. Rest of the major players for Warriors will come from Delhi.
Sun Estate's Warriors promoter Suraj Morajkar, who played state-level cricket in the past, is quite excited about the association with a professional cricket team in the prestigious GPL.
An opportunity to own a team which is Sun Estate Warriors, which is going to be playing our team. Our group team is going to be played from 23rd onwards into the Goa Premier League, and I have a captain who's Mr. Shadab Jakati, who everybody knows, who's done very well for himself as a Goan. He's done great for himself and for his team, which was Chennai Super King, you know. And now I thought to take the opportunity that I use him, I use his skills to enroll my group, and we will be in this Goa Premier League in the next 2 weeks. Will show how good cricket we can play and will be very competitive.
Ranji all-rounder and former Chennai Super Kings spinner Shadab Jakati will be the face of Sun Estate's Warriors.
It's the only place, it's the only association that it has been doing it for last 6 years consistently, and it's nice to be a part in this tournament and be a part of Sun State Warriors because our owner and the main sponsor of the team is himself is a cricketer who's been playing who has played state level cricket for Goa, so it's always nice to be associated with the cricketer, and hopefully we can put up a good show in the tournament. We have, see, it's outstation team, so we have quite few players from outside Goa, So we have Sudeep Tyagi, who's played for India, fast bowler. We have Sheldon Jackson, who got picked by KKR. We have Deepak Huda. So yes, we have good players, and definitely will be a strong side in the tournament.
What's your ambition? See, I always had the love for cricket. We grew up thinking that we will be a professional cricketers, but at times, your destiny takes you somewhere else. But as they say, a cricketer will always remain cricketer till he is, to the grave. So I think in me, every time there is something going on about cricket, I always have my, eyes wide open, And my ambition is obviously to see the youngsters, give them an opportunity, perhaps create an academy in a long run. I have a lot of international cricketers as my friends, ask them to help the youngsters who's in Goa, who are playing cricket, but yet they need a little bit of age, they need a little bit of a international standard training. So maybe, spend my time more into cricketing, experiences, and enjoy my life while I watch cricket.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.